Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, with the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, August the 25th, 2021. We have here in this additional 6 extra Sudokus or puzzles. The first one, letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2-star Sudoku. Sudoku with 3 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. A binary and a tectonic with 1 star. Total of 6 extra Sudokus. Those puzzles are not interested, and I won't do them all. No, too much for me, time consuming, and I've already solved 3 regular Sudokus today. So only half of them I will solve. Those are the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Yes. So the first one, the 3-star Sudoku, will be number 3295. Yes, 3295. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about 1, 2, 5, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 158, 158, 158. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, 1 box left in the third row for the number 8. Okay, so we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Then, the 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6. Should be there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Alright. 7 and a 2. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2, 1, 2. 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. And we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 9. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Two numbers left in this column. The 6 is missing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. Yes, the 9. 6 and the 9. Oh, alright. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 8. Okay. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there because those 2 boxes are reserved for the 6 and the 9. Okay. And all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. 2 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 8. Alright. How about 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. Do we have all the 3s? Let me count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. There are 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Alright. Alright. 4. Then 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Well, another 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers. You have 3 missing numbers. Yeah, those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 5, and 4. Yeah, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Well, we see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 8. Okay. So now, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. But we have a pair. 6 and a 9. And this is also 6 and a 9. Okay. 8. 1, 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be an 8, goes there. So, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. Let me see. 1, 2, 8, and a 4. Yeah, 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and the 6. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. And a 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 6 and a 9. The other pair should be the 1 and the 2 are missing. We see here the 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be an 8. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and the 6 are missing. 2 and the 6 we see here, 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can be 6 anymore, that box should be 6. And this box should be a 9. Okay, one box left in this big square for number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can be 6 anymore, that box should be 6. And this box should be a 9. One box left in this row. 1, the 2 is missing. Yes, now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be 2. And this box will be an 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Is this really a 3 stars? No. I think this was a 2 stars, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve for 3 stars. Well, I solved this in 15 minutes, so it's not a 3 stars, rather a 2 stars. But I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Binary puzzle is left, and the tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.